Hey y'all, thank you for taking your time hitting play to watch my video. Today I want to talk about what type of mower should I buy. Okay, there's a variety of types of mowers. There's regular push mowers, walk behind mowers, riding mowers, also known as lawn tractors. You got zero turns, sit down zero turns, stand on zero turns. This is what I started out with, y'all. And also hit subscribe, okay? Hit subscribe to this video, to my channel, because there's more videos to follow, y'all. Okay, and if you're already liking this video, please hit like. All right, so this is what I started out with when I started my little side hustle. So I started off with the Aaron's lawn tractor, a 46-inch. I bought this used from somebody. I call it Old Faithful because it hasn't broken down yet. It's been getting the job done. It got the job done when I started out. All right. I did do some damage to the spindles. I broke 2 spindles on it when I first started out because just being new to the business, I didn't have that much experience and I wasn't walking the ground like I should. So I learned the hard way. So now I started walking the ground, making sure there's no rocks, big logs or anything sticking up that could like damage a spindle or bend a blade or your the mowing deck. All right. So this isn't commercial. So this could bent easy. All right, if you run into something real fast. All right. Also, I was using this push mower. Okay, I use this push mower to get small ditches. All right. There was a neighborhood where they had like a lot of ditches, so I have like about 8 yards in that down that road, and I use this just to mow the ditches. Sometimes there's long ditches. I say, you know, why string trim when I could just use this push mower. All right, so this is what I used. Okay, it's a 22-inch recycler. Also used. None of this is brand new right here, y'all. All used equipment. Okay, you don't have to buy brand new equipment to start off your side hustle or your business. All right, you're starting off. Okay, you have to start somewhere. All right. Down the line, as you start getting up, making more money, all right, you're getting more clients. Hey, now it's time to hey, let's invest in a zero turn. Okay, so after the first 3 months, about 5 months, you know what I mean, I was getting all these clients, and I need to be more efficient, you know what I mean, every day, you know. So I knew a zero turn could get the job done faster, could cut your time in half. So I went to my nearest dealer, you know, to introduce myself, you know, like, like, hey, I'm new in the neighborhood. I'm starting a lawn care business, a side hustle, and they understand, you know, I mean, right off the bat, they wanted to help me out. So they showed me this. They sell Bobcats over there. All right, so there's a Bobcat CRZ 42-inch. Probably wondering like what size to buy. 42, 46, 48, 52, 60, 70. Well, I was just focusing on residential, and a 42-inch worked great. It got only one gate it couldn't fit through. That was only one gate, y'all, and I just used my push mower for that gate. Okay, but it's 42-inch. It worked perfect. There was a couple of gates that were iffy, but it slid right in there. It's wide enough to get the job done fast, and it's small. It's narrow enough to go through every gate that I had. I had 60 yards my first year. Okay, and yeah, no, it was 6 yards my second year, and of all those yards, it was not only able to get through 2 gates. The first year, I had roughly like close to 30 yards. There was only 1 gate I couldn't get through. And I just had my push mower, y'all. You know, I just used my push mower to get through those gates. But other than that, it's 42-inch. Was able to do the whole front yards and all the back, and like 98% of the backyards of all my customers. All right, so that's what I used. And so I wanted to go bigger. Okay. Well, actually, I wanted to get like a stand-on mower. You know, like a 36-inch. So I was doing my research. There was one I really wanted from John Deere. Like, yeah, I want to get this one. You know, it's a 636 model. It was a 36-inch, so I'm stand-on. Because you know what? I like, hey, maybe I might run to a yard with a smaller fence, and the 36-inch will get to it. You know, or maybe I might get more small yards. You know, so I could just use a 36-inch, and it could also be a second mower. Okay, you know, the 42-inch like has to go in for maintenance. I got the 36-inch. All right, so hey, let's talk about that, y'all. Second mower. So a good thing about still having this right here, all right, the lawn tractor, Old Faithful, still works. is because if this was going for maintenance, which it hasn't, you still got this, y'all, as a backup. Okay. Now, on my first year, after my first year, I wanted to sell this and buy just like a brand new one, start off everything brand new. So I sold it. So January time frame came when Ron wasn't cutting lawns. You know, somebody needs their lawn cut. So I didn't say no because I still got my lawn tractor, you know, backup. So that's what I used. If you don't got that, you got to push more. It may take you a bit longer though, but you can still get the grass cut with that. Okay, so anyway, so back to the story, all right? Getting another mower. So my wife surprised me, y'all. Okay, I came home and she had one of our friends bring this right here. There's a Bobcat XRZ PRO RS. Now this isn't a 36, this is a 52 inch. All right. This is these Bobcats are commercial grade. Okay. So my wife was like, you know what? I was having second thoughts because they're thinking about a 36 inch. I was like, nah, baby, this is perfect. You know what I mean? This can still get the job done. You know, so with this 52 inch, all of our yards, I was still able to mow all of them. Okay. Those other yards I had in the past, those with the small gates that the 42 inch birdie got through. Well, we lost those yards due to the customers moving. You know, so I didn't really have to worry about those. So most of all the gates that my customers had, only but 3 I couldn't get this 52 inch. And so I just, during that day when I had to go to those customers, I'll just take the 42 inch. All right. But once again, y'all, back up. So if this goes down, I got this right here, the 42 inch. Okay. But these aren't, I have faith in these mowers, you know what I mean? They have a good reputation, Let me get this leaf off. I should have blew off all these leaves, you know, before I started this video. Sorry about that. I got a whole bunch of leaves up there. Okay. Yeah, so if any of these go down, I got these backups right here, all right? Okay. If I was to sell that, I'll definitely keep that because that's my backup. I'm never gonna sell my lawn tractor, Old Faithful. That thing's been faithful to us for like the past 4 years, you know what I mean? We bought it from somebody used, you know, it's been faithful to him. So I'm gonna keep it. All right. Hey y'all, you know, these mowers will last, man, if we just take care of them. All right. Just take care of them, the regular maintenance, change the oil, cleaner spark plugs, cleaner air filters. All right. And just take care of it, man. Sharpen the blades. Okay, make sure you change out your blades, y'all. All right, look underneath. You know what I mean? Make sure your blades aren't dull, because if they're dull, your grass, you know, you're not making those sharp edges. All right, you want some nice blades of grass. All right. So hey, so this y'all right here. This right here is the So I can mulch with this right here, y'all. Take this off. This little pin. So if I want to mulch. All right, everything shoots out the side. If I want to mulch, I just got to put this on here. Same thing with the 42 inch. Put that little hole right there. A little hole. Bring it to the side. Then I put that pin right there. Get this pin. Bam. Now you're not shooting out the side, y'all. You're like mulching everything to the ground. And they're being extra safe, okay? Not taking that chance of something spitting out the side and damaging somebody's property or hurting somebody. Okay? So the thing is, y'all, what kind of mower should I buy? Ask yourself, how big are the yards in my how big are the yards in the surrounding areas that you're mowing? How big are the gates? Do you need like a smaller one, like a 36 inch and a 42 inch? It seems like everybody's making the 42 inch, y'all, like the width for the gates, because only one season only had like 2 gates I couldn't get through with this 42 inch, and I barely couldn't hit it, man. But I didn't want to damage the gate, so I just said, you know what, I'm not gonna even take a chance. So it seems like the 42 inch is the way to go. All right. Hey, if you want to use a 52 inch, go for it. You know what I mean? Just remember, if there's a smaller gate, you ain't gonna be able to get it through there. Hey, if all you have is a lawn tractor, hey, go out there and make it happen. All right, it still cuts grass. All right. Oh, but it's on a 0 turn. I don't look cool. Hey, you know what, y'all? No one cares about, they don't care if you look cool, they want their grass cut, okay? They want their grass cut. If you gotta do it with this, the push mower, if it cuts the grass, hey, they're gonna pay you to cut your grass, all right? All right, so hey, y'all, so this is what I have right now, y'all. This is what I used to use, okay? The push mower, I don't do ditches anymore with the push. I just use my my string trimmer now. If there's like a long ditch, I'll take the push mower out, all right? I need to so I can cut time in half. All right, y'all, so I hope y'all like this video. I hope this gave you an idea like on what you should start off with: push mower, lawn tractor, zero turn, a small zero turn, a big zero turn. But no matter what, y'all, just start, okay? It doesn't have to be brand new. Everybody's selling, you know, when the season stops, like when we're in fall and winter, people are selling their equipment, okay? Look on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. There's other apps out there, y'all, like Let Go. That's another app people use to buy used stuff. All right, hey, just get it, do the maintenance, do a good oil change the air filter, clean the spark plug, and you take care of the mower, is gonna take care of you. It's gonna take care of those lawns. It's gonna take care of your hustle. It's gonna take care of your business. Take care of your equipment, y'all. And remember, when you're out there, always eye pro and ear pro, okay, at all times, all right? All right, be safe to yourself and safe around others. When you're mowing, be mindful of your surrounding areas. All right, if the grass is blowing out to the right, okay, make sure there ain't nobody to the right or no buildings to the right. Blow away from your customer's property or from people, all right? You don't want to cause no damages to property, especially you don't want to cause no injuries to somebody, okay? So hey, y'all, if you like this video, hit like, y'all, all right? Leave a comment, okay? Tell me what you think about this video. You know, let others, you know, leave comments for others, you know, watching this video, okay? People are watching this video, y'all, so leave comments for the YouTube channel, for this channel, for this video. Give us your opinions, constructive criticism. Hey, I got thick skin, y'all. All right, so they just bring it, okay? I'm not gonna be offended. I'm gonna take it as advice. All right, so hey, if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. There's more videos to come. Also hit like if you liked it. I'm sure you got something out of it. All right, so I'll see you on the next video. Bye.